Welcome to this tutorial on how to create transparent letters effects in Canva. Let's get started. To make the entire text transparent, simply click on the text box. Go to the Transparency menu and adjust the transparency level to reveal the background behind the text. Setting the transparency to 0 will make the text completely transparent. Now, let's try selecting a few letters within the text box and adjusting the transparency. You'll notice that the entire text changes, not just the selected letters. Here, we have two methods for creating transparent letters effects. Method 1. Duplicate the text box. Then, delete the letters you want to make transparent from the original text box. In the new text box, delete everything except the letters you want to make transparent. And then reduce the transparency of those specific letters. Method 2. Go to the Elements tab and look for a transparent gradient in the Graphics section. Apply the gradient to the right side of the text box and adjust its position. Right-click on the gradient, go to Layer, and bring the gradient to the front. To match the background color, click on the gradient, then click Edit. Go to Due Tone, click Customize. Then click on the color picker for highlights. Select the background color. And do the same for shadows. Increase the intensity to 100%. You can then adjust the size of the gradient or duplicate it as needed. This method allows you to create unique transparent text effects in Canva. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.